Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling anxious today, restless, sad, worried, frustrated, feeling numb, or perhaps feeling so much it's hard to think. Whatsoever you're feeling, just know that it's okay. That you're not alone in those feelings or lack of feeling. There's so many people around the globe can relate to the pain, to the sadness, to the fear that you may be experiencing. That being said, we're going to take some deep breaths. We're going to look inside ourselves, witnessing our thoughts, witnessing our emotion, witnessing our body with more love, and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Getting in a comfortable position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, aware of your space, becoming more aware of how you feel in this moment, aware of your energy, aware of your heartbeat. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into the sound, listening with your full body. Just becoming a pure listener. And letting go of thoughts, natural for the mind to drift. Simply coming back into your posture, aware of how you're sat, feeling safe to close the eyes, looking in, witnessing and welcoming all of the inner turmoil, anxiety, uncertainty, anger, resentment, welcoming it all like old friends. Relaxing your belly, dropping the shoulders away from the ears, relaxing your hands and feet, extending your spine, taking a deep breath in, and exhale. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling old life, old energy. Softening the face, softening your chest, Softening the shoulders and the feet. Aware of your feet underneath you as you breathe in. And breathe out. And breathe in. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Doing good, my friends. Stay with me. Aware of your posture. Breathing in trust. Exhaling fear, letting go of fear, feeling fear leave the mind, leave the body. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling love for others. Sending love to the people that you know in your life, especially the ones that challenge you. Sending them a prayer for peace, for light. Breathing in warmth of heart. Exhale, letting go of any coldness inside. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale, letting go of any negativity. Feeling negativity leave the mind, leave the body. As you come back to faith. Faith in yourself, faith in the unfolding of life. Breathing in well-being. And exhaling, letting go of pain. Coming back into humbleness. Recognizing how much space there is to grow and how little is actually known. Coming back to gratitude for the blessings that is already here as you take a deep breath in. Holding that breath inside, feeling a grateful energy starting to bubble up in your chest. And exhaling that energy to your space. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and very slowly, very softly, exhale, let go. For a few moments, I want you just to let your mind drift. Let your mind run as fast as it wants. You simply close your eyes, witnessing and welcoming the movement of thoughts, sensations, and emotion, while listening to the soothing sounds. Letting go of thoughts, bringing all your attention inwards. Aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of love that you already have inside, just beneath the pain, the desires, the fears, the worries. Going just beneath all of that into the love that you already have, to the strength, to the intelligence, to the creativity that you already have. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Breathing in trust. Exhale, letting go of insecurities. Breathing in forgiveness. Exhale, letting go of the inner critic. Feeling shame and guilt. Leave the mind, leave the body. Opening your heart like a flower in the sun. Feeling your heart fragrance, full of beauty, full of color, as you drop down from the head into your heart. Know that your heart is beating, know that you're breathing. You've lived to see another day. It won't always be that way. Remembering to do your best to enjoy today. Who knows how many days are left? Remember, if you're in pain today, that this too shall pass. Taking a deep breath in. Hold and exhale, letting it all go. Dropping the shoulders away from the ears, feeling your belly relaxed, feeling your jaw, the lips, the forehead relaxed, feeling your eyes relaxed, feeling your hands and feet relaxed. As you breathe in slowly and softly, and exhale. slower, even softer. The color for today. Are you ready for it? The color for today is gold. The number is 100,000. And the animal is a baby deer. Perhaps there's a name for that besides baby deer, but for the sake of today, the animal is a baby deer. So innocent, remembering your own innocence, letting go of what we think we know, coming back to the innocence of a child, the innocence of a baby, the innocence of a new animal coming into this life, not knowing anything. It's a very beautiful thing. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your space, aware of what you're gonna do next. I thank you for joining me across time and space. I hope that this video has helped you to relax. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of creativity, an abundance of beauty. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.